Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for your online banking account on Citibank Singapore. If you think that the registration process is complicated for Citibank, then you are mistaken. Citibank Online Banking registration is very easy. It is no longer a necessity that you visit the bank and stand in long queues to make transactions. You can enjoy the perks of online banking, such as instant bill payment and fund transfer, easy access to the account statement, direct blocking of ATM cards, etc. by registering for internet banking feature. Now in order to do that, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search bar, search for citibank.com.sg. Now you'll be directed to an interface like this. In order to register for your online banking on Citibank, go to login option and tap onto this arrow. Search Citibank Online from the options, and then you'll be directed to another page of Citibank. So if you're a first-time user and you need to sign up for an account, then go and tap on to register now. Here you have to select your account type and enter your debit card, credit card or ATM number. Once done, scroll down and tap onto the I agree to the terms and conditions. Then go to the continue button and tap on it in order to continue. Now you'll be taken to another page where you have to authenticate your information. And once done, go and tap and continue. Then once you land onto another page, you will have to create a unique user ID for yourself and a PIN security. Now click on continue and the registration process has been completed. So now you can log into your Citibank internet banking account. And if you want to register for Citibank internet banking through a branch, then you will have to visit the Citibank branch nearby. Then fill up the internet banking application form with the required details, sign the form and submit it at the branch. And a welcome kit that has a user ID and a password will be issued to you. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.